Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about should you buy NVDA. NVDA has seen some good sell-off over the past week or so, and we always hear that expression of buy low, sell high. So could these lows be a good opportunity to buy NVIDIA just at a cheaper price? So we're going to be looking at the stock chart, some fundamentals, and just kind of giving you guys my honest opinion about this company. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about investing, trading in the markets, I highly recommend checking out our school. It's awesome, and exciting news, 50% off. Only one day left for the code school, back to school day sale. Everybody's going to school. The kids are going to school. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, invest in the market, check it out down below. You won't regret it. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, everything. If you want to take it serious, let me know. Check it out. All right. So guys, let's dive into this here. So when it comes with trading in the market and investing in the market, right, we always hear that expression of buy low, sell high. But the issue that I face is sometimes when new investors or new traders, they hop in on a position, the stock just continues to sell off. So what are some indicators you guys can look at? The first indicator that I want to talk about is something called the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index. It pretty much tracks momentum inside the stock. Historically, anything under about a 30 to a 35 represents an undervalued point for the stock and company and could be a good pickup if you buy some shares. So looking at it down here, this is the green squiggly line down here. And you guys can see as of right now, it's trading near and around a 35. The last time it was trading for a 35 was back in here, where the stock went from about $100 all the way up to about $128. Previous to that was in here, where the stock went from about $74 to about $92 in about 2 weeks. Previous to that was all the way back in mid 2023, where the stock was under 40 and it went up to about 50. So looking back historically, every time it's near and around that 30 to 35, on the RSI could represent a really good opportunity to buy it. Now, obviously, right now we do see this, which is just a general downward trend. Is that something to be nervous about? No, markets fluctuate. Right now, we've seen so much hype. We've seen so much buying pressure out of NVIDIA and AI in general that sell-off, consolidation, all this stuff where the stock's not going up 100% a year is normal and healthy for a stock to do. And given that NVIDIA released their earnings report and it kind of had mixed feelings about it, a lot of investors are excited because their revenue and their profits growing, and then also you have other investors that are saying, well, how long can we see these double-digit revenue increases, right? It's not every day a company grows this fast. So we see both sides. So the best approach, at least for me, that I would highly recommend new traders do is to dollar cost average it. Now, right now, what we've seen is, like I said, we've seen some sell off from the highs. From the highs, right now, the stock is down about 23%, which in my opinion could be a good pickup if we start buying some shares. So dollar cost averaging, what it is it's a way to invest into a company and get a good average price for the shares. Because what you do is you invest consistently. So maybe you invest once a week or once a month or whatever it may be. But the great thing is as NVIDIA stock sells off, which if it does, that's fine because you're averaging down on the position. You're getting a very stable and good company at a cheaper price. So once the stock recovers, whether it takes a month or a year, your average cost is so low because you've been buying the dips. You've been buying and being consistent with your investment. So once it recovers, you make a lot more money because you have more shares, your average cost is lower, and it's just a great way to invest into some growth stocks. Now, another thing that I want to go ahead and look at here is looking at this. This right here is the average analyst price target for the stock, which is about $156. So given that right now, right, the stock isn't even near that. So if we hopped in here, this is the average. the average is over, I can't even put it on. The average is this. Let's see. So 156 is about 46%. In the lowest, so on the low end, the price target is 135. So from that price, that's a 28% return. So I really think, looking back, whether it's a month or 5 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought NVIDIA at these current prices. For me, I'm going to be picking up some shares. I think it's a good buy, honestly. And really anything in this zone, in the zone of this blue line and this red line, represents a good opportunity to buy this stock. Let me know down below if you guys are buying it, but for me, I think this thing is an absolute buy, and I'm excited to see where it goes. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check out our school. Go ahead, check it out right now. You guys made it this far. Code SCHOOL for 50% off. I'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and take care.